Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. In this one, we're going to take a closer look at StanStore versus Kajabi and break down which one makes the most sense depending on where you are in your creator or online business journey. Let's start with StanStore. This platform was built with creators in mind. It's a streamlined e-commerce tool that makes it incredibly easy for influencers, content creators, and digital entrepreneurs to sell their products directly through social media. Whether it's digital downloads, courses, subscriptions, or even one-on-one coaching. You can do it all from a single link in your bio. StanStore is designed to eliminate the typical complexity of traditional online stores. You don't need a separate website or a ton of integrations. Everything you need is inside this one platform. You can collect emails, automate follow-ups, and even schedule coaching sessions with built-in calendar tools. It's clean, it's simple, and it's fast to set up. Pricing is pretty straightforward too. The basic plan starts at $29 a month, which gives you access to digital product, sales analytics, and downloads. If you want to step it up to more advanced features like email automation and under upsells, the Pro plan comes in at $99 per month. StanStore is best for creators who want a plug and play storefront that works with platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. If your main focus is building and monetizing a following without getting lost in complicated funnels or tech setups, this is a great fit. Now let's move on to Kajabi. Kajabi is more of a full-scale business platform than a creator-focused storefront. It's built for entrepreneurs, coaches, and online educators who want to go deep into course creation, memberships, and long-term brand building. Kajabi comes with a full suite of tools. You can build websites, run email campaigns, set up automated sales funnels, host webinars, and build communities all under one roof. It's much more robust compared to StanStore, and it's designed for those who are building a business that needs powerful automation and customization. The pricing reflects that too. Kajabi starts at $149 per month for the basic plan, which gives you access to unlimited landing pages, email marketing, and 3 products. The growth plan takes it up to $199 per month and adds features like affiliate marketing, advanced analytics, and more automation tools. Kajabi is ideal for people who want a centralized system for scaling an online education business. If you're running coaching programs or planning to build a full-blown membership site with deep customer engagement, this is where Kajabi really shines. To wrap it up, both platforms serve different audiences. StanStore is perfect if you are a creator who wants to launch quickly, monetize through social media, and avoid the tech overwhelm. Kajabi is the better fit if you are building a more complex long-term business and need advanced marketing tools and deeper customization. If you're ready to start your own StanStore and take the first step towards building your online business, you can sign up using the link in the description below.